Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. It's been a while. Happy New Year to everyone and may God bless you and your families in this year of 2023. So this is a really quick video of a last minute dinner I threw together during the week. So I hope you enjoy it. I'll be talking as I cook in a few moments. So you can see what I have been doing here, and excuse my voice, I'm just getting over a hoarse throat. So I have this ham that's left over from Christmas. I had it in the freezer, and I have mushrooms I want to use up today and a bit of pepper. So I fried those up first, then I have added in a can of condensed mushroom soup. I am adding in a little bit of milk that needs to be used up too. I'm mixing that all together. I'm adding in my cooked pasta. Combine all of this. Getting there slowly but surely, and I'll just add one more little bit of pasta. And then I'm going to add in some of the pasta water also. I want this to be lovely and creamy and not dry. Okay, now I'm going to pop it into my casserole dish. So I'll get all of this into my casserole dish. I added in about 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs as well. And what else did I add in? Oh, some garlic powder. You can season with whatever seasonings you like to use. Now, I'm going to still add in some more of the pasta water. Now I'm going to grate some cheddar cheese and pop it on top. Now I'm topping with my grated cheese. And I'm going to pop it in the oven until it looks nice and golden on top. I'd say probably for about a half an hour. And there's wham bam, thank you ma'am, dinner ready. And using up leftovers and a bit of pasta, and we'll pop it in. Couldn't be easier. I was debating what we would have for dinner today, and this is what came to me. So there it is in the oven, and I have a loaf of bread in as well, making use of my oven while it's on. And there it is out of the oven, my creamy ham and mushroom pasta bake. And it was all of those things. It was creamy and hammy and mushroomy, and it was absolutely delicious, and it was very moist the way we like it, and it was cheesy, and it was just yummy. A real comfort food on a cold winter's day, and so simple and so quick to get ready. And there I am plating up for everybody, for the 3 kids and for ourselves. And there was even some leftovers for me to have the next day for my lunch. So thank you all for joining me in my kitchen. I will talk to you soon. God bless. Bye.